I was pretty down on my luck, and then I looked at this blade of grass, which gave me a lot of inspiration. Fuck, I just lost my plectrum. So this is a song about not giving up. It's a song about, it's called A Blade of Grass. To the frozen field of Lincolnshire, nothing yet can be seen growing there. The fields they are peppered with a bit of powdered snow, and it's too cold for any crop to show. But looky, looky, look, there's a little blade of grass on the frozen field, hard as rock. In the wind that never stops. Now the blade of grass, does he give up? If the frozen fields are hard as rock, does he die? He does not. He does not, does not, he does not. I'll build your castle.